So most of us have probably messed around with AI by now, right? Asked it to write a silly poem or maybe settle a bet. But what if it's more than just a toy? What if it could actually be a serious tool for making money? Well, that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. We are breaking down the blueprint for turning AI into an income engine.
So where are we getting this from? Our guide today is a book called The ChatGPT Millionaire by Neil Dagger. And look, it makes a pretty bold claim that making money online has never been easier. So we're going to dig into the core ideas and look at the actual practical steps the book suggests for turning this powerful AI into your own personal income machine. Okay, to really get why this is such a huge deal, you just have to look at the speed of it all. Think about this. Netflix, it took them 3 years to get 1 million users. Facebook took 10 months. But ChatGPT, it hit 1 million users in just 5 days. That's insane. This isn't just another step forward. It's a total revolution in who gets to use this kind of powerful tech. And really, that's the key to everything we're about to talk about. All right, so where do we even begin with all this? Well, the book says the first step is to just use ChatGPT to supercharge the stuff you're already doing every single day. We're talking about obliterating that blank page and getting to a finished result in like seconds. You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. Doesn't matter if you're a freelancer, in sales, or trying to start your own thing. You're just staring at that blinking cursor, trying to write the perfect email to make a good first impression. It can be absolutely paralyzing. And this is exactly where ChatGPT comes in to save the day. All you do is give it a really simple, clear instruction. The book uses this great example. Just ask it to write a professional cold outreach email for a foreign exchange advisory firm. See? No complicated code, just telling it what you want in plain English. And boom, here's a little piece of what it spits out. Instantly, you've got a professional, well-written starting point. The big takeaway here is that the whole blank page problem, it's just gone. You're not starting from zero anymore, you're starting from a pretty solid draft. Okay, so a professional email is cool, but that's really just scratching the surface. The real magic is in its ability to adapt. What if you want to sound, a little different? This right here shows its reins perfectly. On the left, you've got your standard, pretty formal closing. But on the right, that's what you get when you ask for the same email, but in the style of Elon Musk. It's bold, it's confident, and it's totally different. Same core message, but a completely new personality. Pretty amazing, right? All right, so it can do emails, no problem, but let's scale this up a bit. What about a much bigger, more strategic task? Like, imagine a client needs a whole marketing campaign idea from you, and they need it, like, yesterday. This is where you use a trick from the book called the Act As prompt. And honestly, this is a total game changer. You're not just asking a question anymore. You're actually giving the AI a job. In this case, you tell it to become an ad agency that's creating a campaign for a new energy drink. And look at the result. It's a whole blueprint. It figures out the target audience, comes up with a slogan, locks in the key message, and even tells you which media channels to use. The craziest part is that in less than a minute, you have a solid strategic framework that might have taken a whole team hours to brainstorm. Okay, so we've boosted our productivity, which is awesome. But now let's see how this all builds into something even more powerful, creating actual assets that can make you money while you sleep. This is where we level up from just saving time to actively building passive income. I'm sure a lot of us have had an idea for a book, right? But then you think about actually structuring it and writing the whole thing, and it just feels overwhelming, like this massive, impossible task. But what if you could just break that entire project down instantly? With a simple prompt like this one, you just ask the AI to take your idea, in this case, a book about places to go for a digital detox, and boom, turn it into a structured outline. And just like that, you've got it. A logical chapter-by-chapter roadmap for your entire book. All of a sudden, that huge project doesn't seem so impossible. It's just a bunch of smaller, totally manageable steps. And the best part? You can take each one of these bullet points and turn it into a prompt to write the actual content for that chapter. And it doesn't even stop with the writing. The book shows you can then turn around and ask ChatGPT to create all the marketing stuff for you too. This right here is just a little piece of a sales page description it came up with for that imaginary book. It's compelling, it's professional, and it's pretty much ready to go. Now, this next one, it might sound a little like science fiction, but it's honestly one of the most mind-blowing things it can do. See, coding has always had this super high barrier to entry. But what if that barrier just disappeared? Just look at how specific this prompt is. You tell it the platform, a Chrome extension, and then you tell it exactly what you want it to do. You're basically just describing the final product in plain, simple English. And just as the book shows, what seems like a super complex task becomes a simple 3-step process. The AI doesn't just write the code for you, it then tells you exactly how to take that code and turn it into a working extension. It's literally like having a senior developer on call 24/7 who works for free. So, okay, we've seen it can write, it can strategize, it can even code, but it's really, really important to understand what this tool is and what it isn't. It's not magic. Think of it more like a companion.
And like any good companion, it has its limits. The book is super clear about this. For one, its knowledge has a cutoff date. It doesn't know about current events. It can also be flat out wrong or biased, and it absolutely needs a human to look over its work. That means you're still the director here. The AI is an amazing tool, but it's your expertise, your judgment, and your final edits that really make the work great.
And that really brings us back to the core message of the ChatGPT Millionaire. It's all about a partnership. The AI handles all the heavy lifting, the first drafts, the basic code, the brainstorming, and that frees you up to focus on the big picture, on the strategy, on the real creative work. So, we'll leave you with this question. We've seen how this AI can handle everything, from a simple email to a full-on software application. The barriers that used to stop people from creating things are lower than they've ever been in history. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build with your new superhuman companion?